Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram posts using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap the plus button to create a new post, then choose the photo or video you want to share. Edit your post as usual by adding filters, a caption, hashtags, or a location. Before sharing your post, scroll to the bottom of the final screen and tap Advanced Settings. Next, tap Schedule this post and turn on the scheduling option if needed. Choose the date and time when you want your post to be published, then tap Done. Go back to the previous screen and tap Schedule instead of Share. Instagram will automatically publish your post at the date and time you selected, as long as you're using a supported account and app version. And that's it, you've successfully scheduled an Instagram post. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.